So today, let us check your grammar concepts. Right? So let's get on to the first sentence. Between you and I or me, he will choose I or me. Okay? So you've got two blanks here. The first blank, you have to fill in either I or me. And the second blank, again, you have to choose either I or me. Let's find out. So, I will look at the sentence as two different parts. The first part of the sentence, between you and I or me. And the second part of the sentence, he will choose I or me. Okay, so two different parts. If we look at the second part, he will choose I or me. What is the verb in this part of the sentence? Will choose is the verb. And what is I or me? That blank, okay? What is the role of that blank? It is nothing but the object of the verb will choose. So if something is acting as the object of a verb, which case of pronoun do you choose? You choose the objective case. Right, so here the answer will be, he will choose me. Now let's look at the first part of the sentence. The first part of the sentence says, between you and I or me. Between is which part of speech? Do you remember? Preposition. Yes. So why is it a preposition? Because it is giving you a relationship between I or me and you. Okay, so here it is acting as a preposition. So between is acting as a preposition, and what is you and I or me? Both of these words are nothing but objects of the preposition between. Now, if a word or if a pronoun acts as the object of a preposition, which case do you choose? You choose the objective case. So even here, the answer will be me. Right? So you have the correct sentence. Between you and me, he will choose me. Let's look at a second sentence, which is a very, very common mistake which people make. Let's look at it. Who is it? Question mark. It is I or me. Which option will you choose? So normally what you say, it's I or it's me. Yes, you guessed it right. It's me. But the actual answer is not me. It's I is the correct sentence. Do you know why? If you look at the sentence, is actually a linking verb. Now, what is a linking verb? Go back to the parts of speech. A linking verb is a verb that links the noun with something else. So here, is acting as a linking verb because it is linking it and I or me. And I or me is acting as the complement of that linking verb. It is completing the sentence. Right? So if any pronoun acts as the complement of a linking verb, you have to choose which case? Subjective case. So here the answer will be it's I and it's not me. Right? So you might be surprised, but yes, that is the correct answer. Let's look at another example. You will have to choose one among we or us three. So what will you say? We three or us three? Most of the people will choose the answer we three. But that answer is wrong. The correct answer is us three. And let me tell you why. Among here is acting as a preposition. That is because among is giving you the relationship between one and we or us. And one is a noun and we or us is a pronoun. So a preposition, you remember, gives us the relationship between a noun or pronoun and something else. So if among is a preposition, we or us is acting as the object of this preposition. And hence, whenever a pronoun acts as the object of a preposition, you should choose the objective case and not the subjective case. Right, so these were very, very simple errors that people make in day-to-day life. Right? But we should be cautious not to make these mistakes. And that we can do if we know the rules properly.